Hello, I am here. I'm going to repair my wash machine. The other day one of the plastic paddles came off broken, as you can see here. It was broken here, pretty dirty, you see, inside. So what I did is just look at my wash machine model. Here was marked here, in the seat, here. And I bought a new paddle. It's a plastic piece which has cost me €7. The way to install this paddle is to find the spots here. It's a bit hard over the camera, but once you find a good position, all you have to do is to push towards the inside of the drum to get it installed. So I'm gonna stop. That's it. I've just installed it. I stopped the video because I needed both hands to put it into place. So remember, just find the sweet spots, the right spot here, and then once it's in the good position, you push towards the inside of the drummer. And as you can see, my wash machine is ready to wash again. It's all repaired, fixed. €7. It has cost me €7 and 10 minutes. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.